Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back. Today I'm going to go over my April favorites. I've got some great things. Let me dive in. I'll start with makeup. I had two palettes that I kept going back to over and over this month. The first one is brand new to me. It's by Viseart. It's the little Theory palette, one of the ones that I got, and it is my favorite Theory palette of all the ones that I have. I have the Amethyst, the Absinthe, and then this one, which is Minx. It's great for travel. You've got 3 matte shades, 3 really glowy, shimmery shades that are beautiful. And I guess I'm just kind of more of a neutral girl because I love this. I went back to my Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. I love this. I know it's spring. I know a lot of people are lightening up on their eyeshadow looks, but I just can't get enough of these shades. It's great for travel as well. It has a little mirror, 9 shades. I believe 4 of them are matte, 5 are shimmer. These just can give such a gorgeous look. I like a smoky eye as long as it's not too dark, even in spring and summertime, especially if you're going out in the evening. But these are just beautiful. And even though I'm as fair skin toned as I am, these work great. So I am loving this, going to get a lot more use out of it. I also found a new mascara, and this one is drugstore. It's by Physicians Formula, and it's called Killer Curves. Really been enjoying this. It gives my lashes a great, full, thick, long look, and I haven't noticed flaking or smudging. I don't have oiliness around my eyes. I'm not in a humid climate, so I don't know what that would be like for those of you who have those issues going on, but this is a great drugstore mascara for me. And this is a foundation I featured in a video a while back, and what I've done is I've bought natural light and natural medium, and these are by Osmosis, and they're the Performance Wear Satin Foundation. I combine a half a pump of each one of these, mix it together, and then put it on with a beauty blender or a brush. It's not what I have on now. I put on a mixture of my It's CC cream with the It Bye Bye lines, and I have to tell you that this lasts longer, and right now I like the finish of this better. So you can use your fingers, but I think it looks best with a sponge because it's a medium coverage, but it's a little bit more than, say, your CC cream. I bought this It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball Powder Brush after I watched, cannot remember her name, I'll try to link it below, but this very beautiful 20-something YouTuber who was giving a demonstration about how to put bronzer on, and she's fair-skinned, and she used this brush. So I got very curious, and she kept saying how great it was, so I went and bought it, and it is so incredibly soft. It's got this nice, it's not too dense, but it's not too loose. It is just so soft, and has this nice dome shape to it. The handle's really well weighted, feels good in your hand, and I am really enjoying using this brush. I'm going to be bringing it on my trip as well. Then my last makeup item is by Buxom, and it is the Alexis Full-On Lip Cream Gloss. And it doesn't look like much at all in the tube. This is the mini. But what I love is that you can put on any lipstick, say from the fall or winter, any darker color, or even a lighter color if you like. And this just makes it look that much better. Can you see it there? It lightens it up, makes it nice and glossy, and it also has little tiny flecks of shimmer in it. Not big glitter, not, you know, disco type of a thing, but it is just super pretty. And I bought some things from The Ordinary a while back, and this has been a huge standout. It is the Resveratrol 3% plus Ferulic acid 3%. Comes in this dropper, looks like this. I'll put the price up, and I'll link and list all of these products down below if you're really interested and you want to know the cost or, you know, just more about it. Go ahead and follow the link on that. So this is what it looks like. It's quite runny. But the great thing about it is I am loving combining this with my vitamin C serum in the morning, and it has a slightly oily feel to it. And it also can do a little bit of warming to your skin. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but sometimes I feel it a little bit. It dissipates very quickly. Sometimes I don't feel it, but I think that it is such a great cocktail in the morning to put on before you put on a moisturizer. I just love it. And then another serum I've been loving is by Aromatica, and it is from my rose skincare video, and this one is Rose Absolute First Serum. I'll link that as well. And it smells of roses, like you would guess. Has a slightly powdery scent. It will evaporate and dissipate. You do not keep smelling it on your skin, but it is so nourishing and hydrating, moisturizing. It feels so good on your skin. I'm so excited. I'm finding such beautiful skincare, such beautiful serums and things. It's just really fun to try new things. Then my favorite cleanser of the month has been La Roche-Posay's Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I went out and bought another one so I could have one by the sink and one in the shower. It is one of those things you can put there. It is really a great dispenser, nice pump. You get a lot of product. It's not expensive. Super gentle. It says for normal to dry skin. I'm sure oily skin people could use it as well. It's not oily or anything. It's just fragrance free, gentle, perfect for your skin. We really don't need fancy face washes, and that is perfect. So then this I'm going to do a video on because I'm so surprised that this has worked. Last year, one of my first videos was about well water and aging, and how well water with all its hard mineral deposits can really damage your hair. And especially if you color it and you have light colored hair like I do, you constantly get kind of a yellowy, peachy, you get kind of a yellowy, peachy stain to your hair, especially the bottom part of your hair. So struggling with that, I got a filter and tried so many different things. And then the last time I went to my stylist, she had heard about this product, and while my hair was processing, she ran to the store, picked up the shampoo, conditioner, and the weekly treatments for me. And it's by Malibu Hard Water Wellness, and it's 100% vegan. And this is what it looks like. It smells really great. It smells great. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells super good. And I've been using it every other time I shower because I wasn't sure how hard it would be, how stripping it would be. So I've been trying it every other shower, and then I've been using the treatment. It's this little packet once a week, and just putting it in the ends of my hair and rubbing it through, leaving it on, rinsing it out. I can tell a big difference. Maybe you can't. Maybe you still see all the yellow in the bottom, but it's been such a game changer for me that I will probably go ahead and do a follow-up video on that for those of you, and there probably aren't that many, but those of you who have well water and have lighter colored hair, it is a game changer. So I'll give you an update on that later. And then the last three things are not beauty or skincare or anything like that. This I adore, and it's by Top Case. Clicks on, and it's my computer case. Isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. And they have so many to choose from. I love it. So simple, just a thin plastic. It gives you the white part on the bottom to click on, and then this for the top. But I love it. It's so pretty and springy and summery. I'll probably buy another one come the fall that is more, a little bit more for the fall and the winter. Then I have gotten so many compliments this last month using my purse, my handbag, with this beautiful Lamb Gallery guitar strap that I bought and attached to it. I have a separate video all about that. I could link that if anybody hasn't seen it. But these straps are incredible. And I just saw somebody's video who they had bought I think it was Marnie. Yeah, it was MsGoldGirl. She had bought a strap that went along with her bag, and it matched her bag perfectly. So it was a designer strap, but it was $95 for her strap, and this one is, I believe, 20 or 25 at the most. So love it, and have gotten so many compliments. It's pretty fun. Then the last thing that I have to share is I had bought this Totoro mug because of Dr. Dray. She's a dermatologist who has her own YouTube channel, and she is super informative, but she always drinks, or most of the time drinks, out of this really cute, this is Totoro on here. I don't know anything about the character, but I love that it comes with this silicone lid, and it's just so cute. But I loved it and used it so much, I thought I want to see if they have more, and they do. They have, I think, 3 others, so I went ahead and bought this white one, and it's so cute. This little Totoro has bent ears, and the other ones go straight up. But I love this. If you ever get those little gnats, those like fruit gnats, or if you have plants and you've got little things, or you just want to do whatever you can to keep your tea or coffee as hot as possible for as long as possible, this helps a little bit. So I love that mug. It's so cute. That's it for my April favorites. I hope you enjoyed. I will not be filming and uploading this coming Tuesday because I'm going to be gone on a trip, and I've not made any in advance. So I will see you next Friday. I hope you're having a great May, and I'll see you next time.